Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into this video on sleep and recovery. This discussion will be primarily for those affected by neurological conditions, considering we are neuro exercise specialists here at Movement Revolution. Sleep is one of the factors that we really want to look at when we're looking at developing a total wellness approach to help people with neurological conditions live stronger every day. So in this video, we'll go through some tips and tricks on how to optimize your sleep, but then really also discuss the importance of getting quality sleep. Let's first talk about why sleep is so important. It affects everything that we do throughout the day, right? We really prioritize exercise as one of the primary components to living stronger with a neurological condition, but your sleep at night has a profound impact in your ability to exercise the next day. Sleep is really about recovery, right? It's recovering from the daily activities that you've done. If you've had a really stressful day, whether that's physically or emotionally, sleep is the opportunity for our brain to kind of reset itself, our body to reset itself. So not only does it have an impact on your physical wellness, but your emotional wellness as well. There's been multiple studies looking at the effects of sleep on anxiety and depression related disorders, and how important it is to optimize your sleep. And when optimizing your sleep and enhancing your sleep can help you manage some of these conditions a lot better as well. It has a profound impact on memory and cognition. So this is when we kind of file away all of the things that you've taken in throughout a day. Sleep at night is the time where we kind of put all those things back in the filing cabinet, create memories, and store memories for later. But sleep also has an impact on your total health and wellness. So not only your cognition and your memory, but your heart health and your glucose levels. Enhancing your sleep can help you manage all of those conditions better, helps you optimize your stress and keep your body in balance. So when looking to optimize your sleep, we really stress how important it is to start to measure the quality of your sleep. We can't really improve what we can't measure. And technology now has a lot of opportunities out there for us to track the sleep, whether in the background or you can actively look at it throughout the day. There are a lot of devices out there, from your Apple Watch to your Garmin watch to some more passive devices that called a Whoop and an Oura Ring. All these devices help you monitor various health symptoms throughout the day, whether that's respiration rate, heart rate, body temperature, all have an impact on your daily routine and also your ability to recover at night. So when wearing one of these devices at night, it'll actively track your sleep in the background. So it's going to look at your heart rate, your variability, your body temperature, your respiratory rate to indicate what phase of sleep you might be in. It'll track the total time of your sleep and then give you an estimation as to how long you were in REM sleep or deep sleep, if you were awake, and it'll give you kind of a sleep score. Now, this is not something that you want to overemphasize, but again, we can improve what we can't measure. And when we're talking about all those other factors that play an impact in your sleep, like daily activity, exercise, and diet, all of these things we can kind of look at and correlate with some of the sleep tracking measurements that we have with these devices. Here are some quick sleep tips and tricks that we recommend for some of our clients. Number one, if you have a significant issue with sleep at night, we highly recommend seeking the guidance of a neurologist who specializes in sleep disorders. We suggest finish eating and drinking at least 2 hours before bed, and incorporate 15 to 20 minutes of light activity before you go to bed. This is not exercise. These are more just relaxing activities, such as a gentle walk, a light bike ride, stretch, yoga, meditation, breath work. All of those things are incredibly important and helpful to help bring your body to a more restful state. There's been studies that have looked at daylight, and so getting outside throughout the day is really important, but specifically taking in the light at dusk and dawn helps us kind of reset our circadian rhythm, which is also very, very important. We want to limit screen exposure before bed and limit high light exposure before bed as well. The good news is there are resources, professional resources out there to help someone who is affected by sleep disturbance. So surround yourself with an educated team of professionals who can really listen to you, how your sleep is impacted throughout the night, and help find some sound solutions to help you optimize your sleep and your daily recovery. Examples of these specialists would be, as I mentioned before, a sleep specialist doctor, a health coach, an exercise coach who is looking at the total wellness of you. And that isn't just the workout that they're putting you through, but your recovery throughout the night, what you're taking into your body, so on and so forth. And then also, if you've never had any exposure to breath work or meditation, those are incredibly useful techniques that people have specialty training in that can really help you out. I think sleep is one of those topics that isn't necessarily discussed enough in the medical field or the exercise field, so please never underestimate the importance of your sleep and your recovery. Have a discussion with your health providers to make sure that you're doing all you can and they're helping you get the tools needed and necessary to help you optimize your sleep and your recovery. Here at Movement Revolution, we have a motto that is think big, move strong, and never quit. We encourage you all to do so. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website. We're happy to help. Thank you so much. Have a great day.